Guys, so welcome back to Loki Land. I know it's been so long since we posted a video on here, but today we are going to do a dog ice cream taste test. We'll see which flavors Loki likes the best. We found these on Amazon. It's called Hoggen Dogs ice cream. So we have bacon flavored, peanut flavored, banana flavored, and cheese flavored. So how this works is it comes inside with like a powder packet, and then you mix it up with water, and then you let it freeze for a few hours. Some of these actually smell really gross, like the bacon and the cheese smell pretty disgusting, so I'm not sure if Loki's going to like those, but we will find out. And right now Carly is outside with Loki. So we're going to do this challenge outside because it might get a little messy, and Carly's outside with him right now, and we will get started. Yeah, so, well, maybe hold him back a little so he doesn't... Come on, Loki! What are you doing? Ow!
Loki.
All right.
Loki,
He's
lay
like,
down.
What's that?
Loki, lay down.
All right, so what flavor do you think we should try first?
What are all the flavors?
We have banana, peanut, bacon, and cheese.
And cheese?
Yeah. Which one do you think we should try
I want to
first?
try banana.
Not you. Loki?
Loki.
Okay, we'll try banana. So take a spoon and scoop a little bit on the plate. Loki, oh, I think he likes it already. Hard to scoop?
Yeah.
We got some dirt on it. Loki, look what we got for you. Loki, come here. Look, over here.
Loki.
He's all about the bacon one. Loki, over here, you silly. Do you like that? Let's see. What do you think?
I think he liked it.
Gone.
Next one?
Yep, what's the next one?
He licked the spoon. Peanut. Loki. Hey, Loki. Hey. There's other flavors. Don't spoil.
You got more, Loki. The banana one is probably good.
Ow, Loki, go! Ow!
So you're saving the worst two that I think for last.
Peanut's one of the best.
Peanut smells. The banana one actually I thought smelled pretty good. Get him a big scoop.
A big one?
Yeah, you can give him a little more. Loki. Loki, sit. Oh,
Loki,
snatched.
hey. Loki, no. Hey. Loki, look. Loki.
There's peanut.
Loki, stop.
He's greedy.
Loki, no. Hey.
Come here, Loki, over here. Right here.
Loki, come here.
He's got to lick the spoon.
Loki, come here.
Well,
Loki.
those are the ones that I think smell the best. You know he loves peanut butter.
He's never had ice cream before, so.
No. Yeah, he's never had ice cream.
Jeez, Loki.
He's running away with the plate. What's that one?
Bacon.
Yeah, that one smells really bad. I don't know if he'll like that one. It smells like worse than dog food.
Dog food doesn't smell that bad.
He's all about it.
Jeez, Mom.
Hold on.
Loki. Hi, Loki.
Hold on a second.
Oh, jeez, Loki, you're in front of me. You realize you're a camera blocker.
Okay, so there's the bacon. Let's see if he likes the bacon flavored. Oh, now my hand stinks. Loki. Hello.
Loki.
Oh, yeah. What'd you think of that one? That one tastes good?
He's looking for more. It's gross. We'll save that one for him. But, oh, did you smell it?
No. And this one, yeah, well, I mean, I mixed them and I smelled them. And this one is cheese flavored.
Loki, Loki. He can't get his eyes off of them. You take it, Bob.
Loki. Loki.
Loki, you sing on the plate.
Cheese.
Sorry. Do you...
So
I think bacon he likes the best.
yeah, bacon seems to be the winner. What we should do is put all 4 containers in a row.
Yeah.
And then let him go.
Ew, he's licking the cheese.
All right, let's see
Loki, come
which one he likes the
Loki,
best.
come here. Loki, hey. Loki, Loki, come here.
Come here, Loki. Which one? Cheese? I think you just picked the first one.
He likes the cheese one. I think he likes the bacon one.
Loki, Loki. He's oblivious. That's probably the worst smelling one. Cheese and bacon.
Cheese?
Maybe he likes the smell. I don't know.
We should make a zip line.
What about this one, Loki? Loki, what about this one? Hey, right here. Right here. So, I'm pretty much thinking he's just going to lick to death whichever one he gets.
Yeah. Which one is that? Banana?
That's the banana.
Can't get his tongue off of that.
Loki! Is that good?
I'm gonna put the bacon one next to him.
Oh, then. Look, here, right here, right here. Right here.
Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe. Bye!
Pause up.